What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and please hit that notification button so that you be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become one of my official low riders. Okay, you guys, we're gonna head out into the streets, and I'll be back with you guys in a hot second.
Sex me so good I say blah blah blah. Work it. I need a glass of water. Boy, oh boy, it's good to know ya. Is it worth it?
This portion of the video is sponsored by Madam Glam. Okay, you guys, right here we're using the Madam Gel Soak Off Gel Polish, and the color is Pivot. You guys, I always go for the neutral colors. Oh my God, I love this color. Love it, love it, love it. This was also my daughter-in-law's first time using this product, and she was highly impressed. She said it was a 10 out of 10. She loved the way the polish went on, the base coat. She loved everything about this product. So I guess Madam Glam will be her go-to nail product. Okay, you guys, she's painting the other hand, and I did speed the video up so it wouldn't be such a long process of you guys watching. But yeah, I love this polish too, and I can see as she's putting it on the difference in how it looks versus how it looks when I'm going to somebody else's nail shop to get it done, or using a different product, I should say. Okay, my little riders, if you're interested in this product, there will be a link in the description box. And also, you have a coupon code. If you put in the code LOLA35 at the time of checkout, you will get a 35% discount off of the entire order. The link in the description box will take you directly to their website, where the coupon code will be activated automatically at the end of checkout. Use the pay-as-you-go option if you do not wish to become a VIP member. You guys, right here she's putting on the Super Cat Eye Gel Polish, and she's going to be using a magnet to do whatever it does with the gel to make it look marbled. What's up, my little riders? I'm here at the gym, you guys, trying to unbig my back. It's Wednesday, you guys, and here to get it in. Let me get started before I change my mind. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start my workout with coming into the sauna and stretching, getting that free sweat before I actually start working out. And yeah, that part. Glad I'm in here. And I'm not going to cry my weight loss progress, you guys. Ooh, so today I'm going to be working on arms, legs, basically everything. I'm going to do a little bit of everything, you guys. Just a little bit of everything. Breathe in the sauna. All to myself. You guys, I done left the gym and came up here hanging with Ann. And y'all love Ann on this channel. Y'all love Ann. Yes, so I left the gym, came over here, just sitting and chilling. And then I'm gonna go home in about whenever I get up to go home, shower, eat some breakfast or something. I want to go to Home Goods. That's what I want to do. It's across the street. I know exactly where it is. But anyway, you guys, that's how we're doing. Regina here now, y'all. It's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a good day.
Yes. We are happy.
That's a nice camera.
Healthy.
That was, oh, I like that case too.
Thank you.
I just been quiet.
We just chilling, you guys, just chilling. You guys, we came to the Broken Yolk to have breakfast. I just had that espresso that I like so much. And I ordered the waffle sandwich or something like that. It's gonna be for 2 days. I can do for breakfast tomorrow and for breakfast today. But yeah, we done came up in here to get some breakfast and stayed at home. She had a little bit of work to do. But me and Rita came to have brunch. And I was at the gym, you guys. And I had this scarf on. And I just went to answer. I was at the gym. I was gonna go home, but we out in public with a scarf on. That's what we doing today.
Don't you stop flying with fire just to get close to you. Could burn someday. This must be love on the brain. Woo!
Okay, you guys, I'm on my way home, and let me show y'all the degrees it is out here. It is 109 degrees at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh my goodness, it's hot, y'all.